Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created my very first Kaws nail set. I was so excited to finally get these nail charms from AliExpress. I'm not quite sure how to add the links from AliExpress, Shein, and Temu in the description box, so if you could please give me some tips on how to do that, I'd really appreciate it, because I really would like to share that info with you guys. Anyways, so I did go ahead and get all the colors that I liked, and I did go ahead and get some Sesame Street charms. I thought these were so adorable. I can't wait to make some nails with these. So I'll go ahead and let you watch, you know, the opening of all the bags of all the charms that I got, and I'll come right back. Really quick before I go, I did just want to say that I am so sorry for how many times I said "you know" in my last video. After I rewatched it and I heard myself, I busted out laughing. I'm so sorry. I'm still getting used to, you know, making content and just getting comfortable with just being myself, and excuse my dogs in the background, but I just wanted to apologize for that. I'm sorry if I annoyed some of you, but if I made some of you laugh, then that's even better. So I promise, as each video goes, I'll get better in time. Just be patient with me and stick around, please. I promise you're not going to regret it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you liked today's video, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Okay, I am going to go ahead and get started with my nail tips already being primed and base coated, and I'm using my 2XL Stiletto full cover nail tips, and I'm going to go ahead and use red, gray, black, and white for this nail design. I think those colors go really well together. So I'm going to go ahead and make the pinky full cover red, and then I'm going to make the thumb white. And for the three middle fingers, I'm going to go ahead and make those French tips. And I'll go ahead and let you watch the process, and I'll come back here in a little bit. I do go ahead and do 2 layers. So after the first layer that I apply, I go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And then I'll come back and I'll go ahead and do the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. So enjoy the process, and I'll be right back.
I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut. I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
For the ring finger, I'm going to go ahead and draw on 2 X's, and then I'm going to leave some space in the middle because I'm going to go ahead and put a silver cross charm, and I'm going to use my Modelones rhinestone glue to adhere that to the nail. Now I'm adding all these little lines around where I outlined the flower. I don't know if it's a sunflower. I was going to call it a sunflower. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and outline all the way around. And I do go ahead and go around the gray. And then just add a little bit on the red just to give it, you know, some dimension and some texture. So go ahead and just do that. And after that, cure for 60 seconds. Okay, for the pointer finger, I'm going to go ahead and draw the Kaws character. So I'll go ahead and let you watch the process. It's pretty self-explanatory. But as far as the white part, I do go ahead and add 2 layers. And I do cure for 60 seconds in between. So I'll go ahead and come back here in just a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Saviland top coat in my Beetles gel polish bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice thick layer over all the nails, and I do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And before I cure, I do go ahead and tip them upside down just so that the gel pulls to the center of the nail. That way it doesn't get bulky on the edges. And then for the charm nail, I do go around the whole entire charm, and then I'll go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And you want to make sure, like I said, to go ahead and take the nails off the stand, turn them upside down, and place them in the nail lamp and cure for an additional 60 seconds twice, if you want to go ahead and make sure that they are fully cured and that your charms don't fall off. This is a great tip. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.